A man stopped when he saw elephants held by a small rope tied to their front leg. There were no chains. The elephants could have easily broken free, but they didn't try. He questioned the trainer about this. The trainer said that he had used the same rope when the elephants were younger, and it was sufficient. He added that they still believed that they couldn't escape from the rope. This happens with all of us as well, especially when it comes to handling money. Many investors invest almost everything in fixed income instruments and never try to invest in equity, because they have this belief system in mind that equity is very risky. This strong belief system may have been created based on what they heard from their parents or from their own past negative experiences. Don't let your old set of beliefs stop you from investing into equity. As interest rates are going down and expenses are increasing, only equity can help you to protect your portfolio from inflation. Break the chain of old investment habits and take a wise decision by investing into equity through mutual fund for long term. Call us now to know the suitable investment opportunities. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.